So today we are at the end day of our future science summer camp. But from the last 8 days, we were doing number of activities which are very helpful and very interesting to our students. So every day we are giving them a chance to do hands-on activity related with the robotics, electronics, again with the satellite related with that, and also our students have enjoyed a lot. They have grabbed a knowledge, and we are today we are at the Pune University. It is the last day, which is already the end day of our camp, and session is there in this CSE center, Science Education and Communication Center. So we also got number of departments and number of activities in this center, also physics, chemistry, biology related, and our students have enjoyed lot. They got knowledge related with their syllabus and beyond their curriculum also. And we are also looking forward this type of science future camp in our school also and for our students. Thank you so much.